Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Marshall Motif II active noise cancelling earbuds and you're trying to pair them with your iPhone, your Android phone, your tablet, your computer, your any kind of device like that. Now once they're paired, every time you turn these on and you open the case, they will automatically pair with the last two devices that they've been paired with, if those devices are available and in range and everything like that. But if we want to set them up for the first time on something or add a new device, we can go ahead and do this procedure. It's really very easy. All we need to do is have the earbuds in the case as so and have the lid open, then open the lid. Once we do that, we're just going to come in and press and hold the button on the front of the case until the LED that's next to the button starts to pulse in blue. Once it starts to pulse in blue, we can go over to our phone or other device to the list of available Bluetooth devices and select these Marshall II ANCs from that list. And from there, it should automatically pair. Now, if you're having any issues where they will not pair or they're stuck paired to the wrong thing, you can try to do a factory reset on these earbuds and then start over fresh, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that. Also, if this video worked for you, if you could please leave me a like, I would really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.